To customize Edge panel on Samsung S25, start by opening settings. Now you will have to navigate into display, which is located here. And right now go into Edge panel. Now, as you can see, you can click on the panels and you can actually add another panels if you want. So we can just drag it. Okay, it's not working currently, so let's do this one more time. And right now we can just reorder them by clicking here, and you can decide which one will appear right now. So now we can just go back from this one. Here we can also change position of Edge panel to the left or to the right side. You can lock handle position, and also you can change color of your Edge panel. And here you can set transparency, size, and width. There we go. Now you can go back, and here when you open this Edge panel, we can click, right now we can just scroll to the left or the right side, and we can open different panels, as you can see. And if I want to actually add some apps, I have to click here, and I can simply select them, just like this. When you click in this place, and then you can actually enable or disable this Galaxy AI. You can show recent apps and, for example, open split screen by using tap. So now if I'm gonna click here, let's go back, I'm gonna tap, and it will actually start opening apps instead of actually, I don't have to actually click and hold this application anymore to enter for this Edge. For the split screen, I can just simply click on a second application. And that's how it works. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.